Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. This is going to be something new for me. I'm trying to do a voiceover instead of me talking through an actual tutorial while I'm recording it. I wanted to try something new. This will be the fourth set of looks in the holiday slash party videos that I am doing. Hopefully you enjoy. This is using the Milani Bold Obsessions palette. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, give it a like. Feel free to share, comment, and subscribe. And now we're going to get into the look. So the first shade that I'm going to go into is called Slate All Day. And I am literally working this on my crease, and I will put it all over my lid. And this is a big fluffy BH Cosmetics blending brush. It's like a real pretty, like taupey, silvery gray color, and I'm literally working it all over the mobile lid and the crease. Now I'm taking a BH Cosmetics number 16 brush, and I am going in with smoke signals in the crease and the outer V area to deepen up the look. And this is something that you could also wear to work. And please excuse the inner part of my eye. I actually have some dry skin going on, and I had eyeshadow that wanted to stick to it like nothing else. And I blended and blended and blended, and it just wanted to stay in that one spot. I have a whole area on my eyelid that is dry. Welcome to winter, people. And I'm slowly chapping in lightly to the pan to pick up color for each of these. This looks like a navy blue in the pan, but it goes on the eye more gray. And there is shimmer in both of the shades that I've used so far. And I'm taking this about a third of the way in, and then deepening up the crease. Now you see me fighting with that dry spot. I also didn't do any of my base makeup or anything else because I knew that some of these shimmer shades would probably transfer to my cheeks. So I would recommend doing your eyes first and then going in with your complexion products after, which is what I do. And my brush just shed on my face. And I'm just blending in that smoke signals color, and I tapped lightly into the Slate All Day shade. Okay, now I'm going in with my finger onto Gold Getter, and I'm tapping that over the entire lid area with my ring finger. I tapped it in place first, and then I spread it out with my finger. And now to blend again. And to deglitter. See, reason why I didn't do my base first. Say hello to the top of my head. Okay, now I'm taking a little Luxie liner brush. I did get it wet in the sink, and I'm using the little black dress shade, which is the black shade in the palette. And I'm going to use that to line, if you can actually see what the heck I was doing, the upper lash line again. What was I thinking here? Hello. Are you like not paying attention? Oh, that's a good shot of my ear. Well, I use this to, instead of using actual black eyeliner, I used it as like kind of a faux liner. And for people that have problems putting on eyeliner or getting placement right or have texture on their lids like I do have creases on my lids. I have skin that moves because I'm 38, and I also have skin tags right along my lash line. And I find that by using something like this, and then you could go over it with a liner, helps me get a better line, and I get the area coated more evenly. Also makes your lashes look thicker. And I work that as close to my lash line as possible. So far we've only used 4 colors out of this palette for this look. I mean, if you wanted to, you could skip that Slate All Day shade and just go in with the smoke signals in your crease and outer V and in the gold on the lid. Okay, now I'm going in with Bare in mind, and I'm putting that on my brow bone. And then blending to make sure that no big glitter chunks are on there. There's the top part done. Okay, now on to the second eye. I'm going in with Sands of Time and another BH Cosmetics fluffy blending brush, and I'm applying that all over the crease, and that is a satin shade, so there is a sheen to it, and I'm applying it from my lash line all the way up into my crease. And up to my brow bone. Now I'm going into the brown shade at the bottom. That is Brunettes Have Fun. I'm not quite sure about all that. I'm a brunette. I always thought blondes had more fun. And I'm dragging that in the third of the way on the lower lash line, and then tapping it in the outer area of my eye, which people would call an outer V. And then I'm going to carry that into the crease. And I'm doing light tapping motions because this shade is a little bit crumbly. You have to be very delicate. And this is a large flat shader brush, again from BH Cosmetics. And I'm lightly tapping that on to the bottom of my brow bone to give it definition, and blend again. I want the deep dark, but I don't want it like deep dark, whoa. And you can actually see the skin tag on this eyelid. Now I'm going in with my finger into Sands of Time again, and I'm just pressing that over the first 3/4 of my lid. I am going back over that Brunettes Have Fun shade to kind of merge the two colors, but I'm like tapping it on with my finger and then carrying it up to my brow bone. So that's that eye, the top part basically done. Oh, now I'm back with blush, bronzer, highlight, concealer, contour, lip color, and I'm wearing the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine. And I did go back into the smoke signals, and now I'm going under my lash line with it to smoke out the lash line. I did pop a lash on that one side. I didn't like glue it down all the way, I just kind of like stuck it on there. This is the Ardell 110. It's like their natural lash line. And I did put mascara on. I'm also wearing Benefit Gimme Brow in my brows in shade 5. Now I'm going into Gold Getter, and I'm taking that into the front corner of my eye. And that is a Luxie flat definer brush. It's great for getting right up next to the lashes. And then I carried that over the smoke signals a little bit. And then my mascara spoolie to get any glitter fallout out of my lashes. Go away, glitter. And that is the right eye complete. Now onto the underside for the left eye. I'm going in with Brunettes Have Fun. Again, with that same Luxie brush, I just used my J-Cat color switch to get the color off of it. And I'm pushing that right up against my bottom lash line and carrying it out to meet the V from the top. And now I'm going back into Sands of Time with old Avon Mark brush, which is very similar to the Luxie brush I was just using. And I'm putting that in the inner part of my under eye. And then I will carry that over into Brunettes Have Fun. This is a really simple look. I literally used 2 colors. I think using the Milani palettes, with them having 12 different colors in them, you could get a bunch of different color combinations, and you don't have to use a bunch of different eyeshadows to get pretty looks. I mean, in the first look I used 4 colors, and this one I used 2. It just really depends on how much time you've got and personal preference. You figure if I had done both eyes with the same look, it would have taken me like 5 minutes total to do either of these looks. Something quick and simple. And here is the finished look for both. And I will link everything that's on my face in the description box. You can see my makeup stash there on the shelf. But because I have fair skin and blue eyes, these like smoky colors, yep, fix your lip line there, girl. That's what happens when you have uneven lips. You know, something simple like this is glam for some people, and sometimes it's not glam it up. And now we're working on to the actual photos that I took of the finished looks. Some people say that the video shows like color one way, but the photos show color another. So I don't edit the photos or the colors of anything. I just, try and crop them so that they're smaller for the picture frames, or so that you guys can see things a little bit better or clearer on the screen. But this is the completed look using the Bold Obsessions palette for the 4th video in my holiday/party eyeshadow look series that I'm doing here on YouTube. Hopefully you enjoy these videos. I have another voiceover that I will be doing for the Coastal Scents Revealed 2, so look for that video to come up after this one. That will be the 5th video in this series. Hopefully you guys can find some inspiration in the palettes that you currently own and that you love, so that way you don't have to go out and buy new makeup. You can use whatever you've got in your stash and get by with literally what you've got. That's why I decided to do this series, was to help people realize that you can get beautiful holiday looks or party inspired looks by just using what you have. And I'm only using the colors for each of these palettes for the looks. I'm not adding in anything extra right now. So hopefully you enjoy. You guys have a great day or night wherever you are. Feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.